The universe is vast, incomprehensibly vast, and yet, in all that vastness, the laws of physics remain the same. Heat moves, surfaces get hot. Or do they? Today, we explore something extraordinary, something that defies our everyday expectations of heat and energy transmission. This is passive glass. At first glance, it seems like an ordinary piece of glass, but it holds a secret, one that changes the way we think about heat in our homes. It's made from two pieces of glass, welded together, with a vacuum in between. Heat needs something to travel through, like air, water, or solid materials, but inside passive glass is nothing, a vacuum, and in a vacuum, heat has nowhere to go. So how do we test this? With the most scientifically proven way to measure heat. Chocolate. Right now, we're heating this glass to over 200 degrees centigrade, hotter than boiling water, hotter than the surface of Mercury, and yet, the other side remains cool. Cool enough for me to hold as if the heat never existed at all. This is where the chocolate comes in. I'll place the chocolate on the heated glass, and as you can see, it starts to melt straight away. It's a scientific breakthrough and a lovely dessert topping. Never has science smelt so good. In the grand scheme of the universe, this may seem relatively insignificant, but here on our small blue world, it changes everything. The way we build, the way we conserve energy, the way we live. Passive glass, a simple idea, a profound impact, the future of insulation. To find out more about this super energy efficient product and what it can do for your home, business or project, visit passiveglass.com.